Hello everyone, welcome to prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation which is 5 to power x times 5 to power x is equal to 100. So what's the value of x? Solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of 8 power n multiplied by 8 power m. So this can be expressed as 8 power n plus m. So here we'll have 5 to power x plus x. This is equal to 100. The next step here, we'll have 5 to power x plus x. This is 2x. This is equal to 100. Now you find that 5 to power 2x, okay? To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So log 5 to power 2x, this is equal to log 100. Now, log 5 to power 2x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying the logarithm property, this logarithm power rule property, we'll have log 5 to power 2x becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 100. So let's divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. So here, we'll have 2x is equal to, now let's simplify here, so that we'll have log 100 divided by log 5. We can express 100 as basically 25 multiplied by 4. Okay, so that from here we'll have 2x is equal to log 25 multiplied by 4, all this divided by log 5. So let's proceed from here. Now we have that log 25 multiplied by 4. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, we'll have 2x is equal to log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. So the next step here, we'll have 2x is equal to log 25. We can express 25 as 5 to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 4, which you can express as 2 to power 2, all this divided by log 5. The next step here, we'll have 2x is equal to log 5 to power 2. Applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2 divided by log 5. So the next step here, we simplify here, so that we'll have 2x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so log 2 divided by log 5, this is essentially in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a divided by log a to base b. So let's apply this property. So we'll have 2x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 5. The next step here is to divide both sides by 2, so that now the value of x here, the value of x is equal to, this is 1, you simplify here, so this is 1 plus log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 5 to power x multiplying by 5 to power x, This is equal to 100. Okay, let's check if this is true. We simplify this further to 5 to power. This is 2x. Okay, this is equal to 100. Now let's substitute the value of x here. We'll have 5 to power 2 multiplied by 1 plus log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 100. The next step here, okay, let's open the parentheses. We'll have 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 2 times log 2 to base 5, which is 2 log 2 to base 5. This is equal to 100. The next step here, you find that 5 to power 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can transform as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Applying this property, we'll have 5 to power 2 multiplied by 5 to power 2 log 2 to base 5. So this is equal to 100. The next step here, we have that 5 to power 2, this is essentially equal to 25. This is 25. This is 5 squared, which is equal to 25. Now we have 25 multiplied by 5 to power. Now 2 log 2 to base 5. This is the same thing as log 2 squared to base 5. This essentially is the power. So this is equal to 100. So the next step here, we have that 5 to power log 2 squared to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially it's equal to a. So applying this logarithm property, we'll have that 5 raised to power log 2 squared to base 5. This is equal to 2 squared, which is actually equal to 4. So substituting this 4, we'll have 25 multiplied by 4. This should give us a value of 100. And it's true, 25 times 4, this is equal to 100. Okay, and that shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is basically 1 plus log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, okay, and subscribe. See you in the next video.